Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how can you create a local feed for your Nuget packages. So let me tell you one example when it is useful. Suppose you are working on some class library project and you are having that package and you generally push that package to your custom artifactory, maybe JFrog or somewhere you are pushing it and then you are using that NuGet package to your multiple projects. For example, project A, project B, and project C. After some time, so suppose someone is asking you to make some changes on package A, and then you need to test that changes on your project A, project B, and project C. So there's a one way like you will make one changes and then manually you will add that DLLs to your project A, project B, and project C. And this is very time consuming process, right? So instead of that, if you want to test that changes locally, so you can create your local NuGet feed and you just need to change the version of your NuGet package and then you can use that changes on all of these projects. So that makes your life very easy. So let me show you how you can create a local feed for your NuGet package. Let's start. First thing you need to make sure like you are having a NuGet.exe and it's configured in your environment variable. So how can you verify? Maybe you can open one PowerShell instance. So here I am typing NuGet. So I can see that the term NuGet is not recognized. So my system is not aware like what is NuGet. So I need NuGet.exe. So let me download this NuGet.exe. So I am downloading this latest recommended one. And let's open this folder and I am moving this exe to my C drive. Here I'm creating one folder NuGet and let me paste it here. And second thing is let's open environment variable and in the system path I need to tell like what is NuGet, right? So I need to add that path in my system path, right? So let me read this, let me edit, and this path where I paste pasted this NuGet.exe I can add in my system environment variable. So let's say new and paste it here. Let me click OK, OK, and after this let me create a new instance of PowerShell window. So let me open one more PowerShell. Let's open as administrator. And now let me type NuGet. So this time my system know what is NuGet and it tells me what are the commands I can run with the NuGet. So we are going to use this add command to add uh, our NuGet package locally. So now I need one NuGet package, right? So I'm creating one class library project. So let me quickly create one simple class library project. So I'm selecting here one library project and this is very simple project I'm creating. So maybe I will fast forward this and I will explain you after this. So this is a class I created and it's just having one simple add method which is returning num1 and num2 addition and To create a package for this, first we need to open this package solution explorer and right click on your project. Uh, Let me right click here and go to the property. So it's loading the properties of your project and expand this package. Now you can see this general. So this all information is important when you are generating your package, like package ID, package version, authors, company, and product description, and these a few other things are optional, but it's good to have. So also what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this package version and I will add some hard-coded value. So let me add 1.0.0.0 something, and let's save this. And one more thing, if you want to generate your package whenever you are building your projects, so if you want to do that, then you need to check this checkbox. So let me check this. If you don't want to do this, then maybe you can uh, click on this pack and that will also generate your package, but I prefer to check this checkbox. So let me check this and let's save these changes. Now come back and let me show you our bin debug folder, and you can see we don't have any package here and everything is empty now. And now let me come back and build our solution, and hopefully this should generate our package under the bin folder. So it's building, it's restored our package and started the building process. Let's wait for it, and now we can see that our build is succeed. So now let me go back and check if I can have a package under the debug or not. So yes, I can see one package file. This is our package file. It's called nupkg something, right? And it's affixed with the version what we mentioned there, 1.0.0. So now this is a time to create our uh, Nuget package, local Nuget feed, right? So I need to first go to this path where we generated our package. So let me first clear this for better visibility and understanding. And let's change our directory to the bin path. So now we are at the location where we generated our package under the bin debug. Now I'm going to use that NuGet, as I earlier mentioned, I will use that add method. So let me add, and then I need to give the package full name with the extension. So let me copy this full name. So let's right click, click on rename, and then I can select all this and copy this and paste it in my PowerShell window. And also we need to define the source, like where you want to generate. So here we need to give a local folder from where we are feeding our package, right? So let's also generate our local feed. So maybe I can create one folder here and I can give name like NuGet local feed, and let's copy the path of this folder, and this will be our source. So let's paste it here, and let me enter, and this should hopefully generate our package. So let's see. Yeah, so I can see our package is successfully added. Also we can see in the feed where the path is to our local folder. So from there we are going to feed. So now next step is to use that local feed. So for that, let me create one client project. So So this is a console application I created, and we are going to use our NuGet package in this project. So let me first click on the tools, go to Nuget Package Manager, and first let me open Nuget Package Manager solution. So here we can see the different source. Maybe you will have some, if you are working for some companies or something, so you will have multiple uh, entries here for your artifactory. Okay, so now let's me search for our demo project here, and let me click on browse. And as we did not added our package source, so hopefully I should not get this, but let me verify this. So I can see that no package found. Now to add this, what we need to do is we need to go to our tools, Nuget Package Manager, and in the package manager settings, here in the package source I can see, right? So let me, I created this sometimes before, maybe I can delete this now, and let me create a fresh one. I will say that as a local feed, and let me add the path for this. So let's go to C drive, and this is our Nuget local feed, right? So I can select this, and let me click on update and click OK. So once we clicked on OK, now if I will see, I have this nuget.org and my local feed also. And if I will select all, so this time I should get my package in this list. So great, I can see my package here. Now let me install our package. So let me click on install. Let's click OK. And we have installed our package in the client solution. So now let me print the addition of two numbers of the what class we created there. So what was the class? I forget that. Let me check it. So this is a YouTube demo, something like, right, we created. So let me copy this and paste it like a new YouTube demo. Here we are creating instance of this class, and obviously we need to add the namespace for it. So let's see if our intelligence are giving the namespace for this or not. So I can see the intelligence window now. Let me select this. It's loading the suggestions, and I can see my using NuGet local demo. So let me add this, and here what I'm going to use our add method, right? So let me use add, and let's give number 1 as a 1, 2 as a 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So now I should get 3 as output. So let me run this. It's building our client project, and now let's wait for command prompt window. It's generated the DLL for our client project. Build is succeed, and it's opening the window now. Yeah, now it's processing. Let's wait. And output should be 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So I should get 3 now. It's taking more time. Oh, yeah. So now I can see, if you will let me maximize this, and here you can see this 3, right? So this is our output. Now, if you if you want to make some changes in your project, then suppose this is your project, right? And here instead of num1 plus num2, what I am doing is I am multiplying this with the 2, and then I want to return this, right? And let me create one more version for this. So let's right click on our project property. So instead of 0, I will give 1 this time. Let me save this, and remember we check this checkbox. So if we will build our project, it will create one more Nuget package. So let's build this. Let's verify if it's created a new package or not. So let me open this folder and let's go to bin debug, and I can see that one more 1.0.1.nupkg. So let me copy this, and now we are going to add this package also to our local feed. So same command I can run, and instead of this name I can paste the new package. So this is also generated our NuGet feed. Let me show you that local feed folder structure also. So it's a kind of it's creating a different folder for different version. This is for 1.0.0 and this is for the next version. Okay. And if I will use my client project again, so I will still getting 3 only because we did not change the version for our package. We are still using the old version, so I am getting 3. Now instead of 3, what I want is I want to use the latest version, and if I will use latest version, then 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2, and then 2 plus 2 equals to 4, so I should get 4. So how can I change that? So there are multiple ways, but I am doing with the Nuget package manager solution. So here we can see that latest installed version is 1.0.0 and latest stable is 1.0.0.1. So let me install this version, and that's all. Now if I will run this, so instead of 3 I should get 4. So it's restored my project, it's building my project again, and it's skipping analyzer, and it's opened this command window now, and yeah, I can see 4 now. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you did not subscribe to my channel yet, so please subscribe, and please share your valuable feedback, and share on what topics and what type of video you needed, and if you can give some feedback, or if you can share some points where I need to improve, I would be very happy. Thank you for watching.